Hey guys, so today's video is a little bit different, as you can tell by the title, obviously. First off, I'm Coral. Welcome to or back to my channel, whatever the case may be. I am just about as good at uploading as I am about cleaning my room, which is like pretty much never. I do clean my room, well, you'll see. As you can probably see, I have just a mess behind me. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm cleaning my freaking room. It's probably gonna be long, as all of my videos are, as someone lovely pointed out to me. Someone DM'd me and they were like, your videos are really long. Like, I like your stuff, but your videos are really long. And I'm just like, I know, but I think I'm really funny, so I want to keep everything in. In case you're wondering, I live in Iowa. This is Iowa's beer, Busch Light. Everyone calls it a Busch Latte. It's a thing. I don't know. Also, I work for a beer company, so that'd be great if my thing would stop fucking freezing. So, buckle up, grab a beer. I'm drinking Press Spike Seltzer. It's like White Claw, but way better, and it's out of Wisconsin, and the only woman-owned seltzer brand. So, cheers, bitches. Let's get started. So, really quickly, just wanted to show you how big of a mess this is. Yeah, this is all clothes that I just don't want. Also, blankets. Anyways, yeah. We're a hot mess over here, and that's why I'm filming me cleaning it, because it's super satisfying. I'm gonna clean off my bed, fold my clothes, and I guess get started. All right, we're gonna make this into a time lapse, so there's not gonna be background music. I'm gonna turn on my Alexa, and all right. I'm gonna stop talking and just fucking do it. Hope you enjoy!
já viu rico namorar pobre?
Okay, it's been 30 minutes of literally just folding laundry. I just want to say, I'm not proud of how my room has been, how it's gotten, not proud of that. Like, I'm actually really embarrassed to be filming this right now, but it's kind of the only way I can motivate myself to do it. I was like, you know what, I've been wanting to film something for YouTube for a while, but my room needs cleaned first, and the only way I can film a beauty video is if my room is clean. My arms look super long right now. Anyways, only way I can film a video is if my room is clean, and I'm finally working on it. So, also sorry that like the angle really isn't changing. I use a webcam that has to be plugged into my computer. I'm too broke to buy an actual camera. So that's just how it's gonna have to be right now. I'm gonna try to move it a little bit so we can see different things, but my room is an outward expression of how my mind has been lately. I'm sure a lot of you watching this can relate, because if you're watching this and it's extremely pleasing to you, you probably have the same issue. So, without further ado, let's just fucking keep going. Okay, so as you can see, there's a vast difference. I'm sorry to people who get super triggered by like that vacuum lines not being perfect, but you know what? I'm not fucking perfect. Let me change this. So anyways, there's still lots to do. I have to go through like my dresser. I need to go, or my desk. I need to go through my dresser. I need to go through my closet. I need to get rid of these 2 garbage bags over here. Those are for either Goodwill or to sell. That's not all from today. As you probably saw, I brought a lot of my winter stuff out, put them right here. Literally threw those in a garbage bag and threw it on my shelf because I live in the Midwest. It's gonna be cold here before I know it. But I threw my little Scentsy thing in. It smells amazing in here. I feel so much better. If you're watching this in your dirty ass room, I encourage you to get your ass up and clean it. I am about to go get some food. So I asked you guys what I should get today. And it looks like 78% Dairy Queen, 22% KFC. Do not judge my decisions. I am really hungry and fast food just sounds so good right now, you guys. So anyways, thank you for watching. This is my room cleaning video. I hope to either have it up tonight or tomorrow. So if you're seeing this, I hope it's not a week later because that's just how I am. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more from me, subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video, blah, 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 all that bullshit. I'll try to upload something next week that's like somewhat beauty related. I don't know. I've been doing a lot more Instagram lives. So if you want to follow me on Instagrams and watch my lives, here's my Instagram right here, just lifeincoral. My Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube are all the same. So this is my problem. I ramble. Oh my God. Anyways, okay guys, thank you again. Bye.